Best cheese for grilled cheese sandwiches recipe. A grilled cheese sandwich is a classic American dish consisting of melted cheese and buttered bread, grilled until the bread is crispy and the cheese is melted. It's a simple yet satisfying meal that can be enjoyed any time of day. Here's how to make a perfect grilled cheese sandwich. Ingredients. 1. 2 slices of bread, white, wheat, sourdough, or your preferred type. 2. 2 to 3 slices of cheese, cheddar, American, Swiss, or your preferred type. 3. 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Instructions. 1. Preheat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. 1. Alternatively, you can use an air fryer to make an air fryer grilled cheese. 2. Spread butter or margarine on one side of each bread slice. 3. Place 1 slice of bread, buttered side down, in the skillet or air fryer. 4. Add the cheese slices on top of the bread in the skillet or air fryer. 5. Place the second bread slice on top of the cheese, buttered side up. 6. Cook the sandwich until the bottom bread slice is golden brown and the cheese begins to melt, for about 2 to 3 minutes. 7. Remove the sandwich from the skillet or air fryer and let it cool for a minute before cutting it in half and serving. Tips. 1. Use a cheese that melts well, such as cheddar, American, or Swiss. 2. Experiment with different types of bread, such as sourdough or whole wheat, to add more flavor to your sandwich. 3. You can add extra ingredients like bacon, tomato, or avocado to your grilled cheese sandwich to make it more flavorful and filling. 4. For an air fryer grilled cheese, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Cook the sandwich for 5 to 6 minutes, flipping it halfway through.